Welcome back to Quiz Splash, where fun quizzes come to life. Today, B will show you a car logo, and you have to guess which car it is. Think fast, trust your instincts, and try to beat the B if you can. Let's start the challenge. Tesla. Shocking choice in a good way. You're fully charged already. Can you guess this one? BMW. Precision, power, and pure class. Let's shift gears and try the next logo. Ferrari. Speed legend, those were the first three. Have you guessed them all so far? This next one might test your car knowledge. Porsche. Smooth, fast, and timeless, eyes sharp because the next logo is coming up. Lamborghini! That one roars even without sound. Can you tame the next beast? Lexus. Luxury done the quiet, smart way. Let's see if you recognize this badge. Genesis. Luxury with a fresh attitude. All right, the next logo is on screen. Rolls-Royce. Ultimate luxury and first-class guessing. Can you keep this streak going? Cadillac. Bold American class. Next one's rolling in. Infiniti. Premium vibes and a nice catch. Focus up because a new logo is incoming. Audi. 4 rings and 1 solid answer. Let's see what's next. Jaguar. Sleek and powerful with a great eye. Next logo, no hesitation. Polestar. Electric and futuristic. Ready for another one? Bugatti. Speed royalty right there. Let's push your limits with the next. Volvo. Safety meets style. Can you crack the next logo? McLaren. Formula level knowledge right there. Next one's a beauty. BYD. Electric powerhouse spotted. Let's keep moving. Acura, precision luxury well done. New challenge coming up. Porsche again. Consistency is key. All right, here comes another. Rivian. Nice one, Explorer. Those were the first 20. Second half starts now, so let's go. Bentley. Luxury with muscle, eyes on the screen for the next. Mercedes-Benz. Classic and confident choice. Next logo coming right up. Neo. Electric knowledge unlocked. Let's see what's next. Toyota. Reliable choice as always. New logo go. Aston Martin. James Bond would approve. Ready for another? Cupra. That was a tricky one. Nice job. Next challenge incoming. Buick. Old school, cool energy. Let's keep rolling. Rimac. Electric hypercar legend. Can you guess the next? Kia. Simple but sharp. Next logo's up. Renault. French flair spotted. Let's continue. Fisker. That one was sneaky. Next up. Alfa Romeo. Pure Italian passion. New logo coming. Lincoln. Presidential choice right there. Stay focused. Mazda. Zoom zoom knowledge unlocked. Let's go again. Alpine. Racing routes detected. Almost there. Smart. Small logo but big brain. Next one. Hummer EV. Electric brute mode activated. Can you finish strong? Skoda. Nice attention to detail. Only 2 left. Pagani. Exotic excellence at its finest. Final logo coming. Lucid. Smooth finish, great job. That's today's Quiz Splash. Drop your score in the comments, like, subscribe, and see you in the next quiz.